Mother Nature has me. So the other day I was checking out my garden that I planted last year, and as I was walking over, I saw that there was like a little sprout of something outside of the garden. So that's the garden bed over there. I saw that there was a sprout of something outside of the bed, and I Google imaged searched it and found out it was sunflower sprout, probably like wild planted by a squirrel or a bird, probably a squirrel, because I don't know that birds dig seeds. And so I transplanted it to a different area of the yard where it wouldn't get mowed over. And then I came out here, and that was all my energy. I used up all my energy that day making breakfast and transplanting it. I went over by 20 points, 20 pace points or spoons. So then today I go outside. I try to spend a little time outside, even if it's just laying on the ground with a headache hat on, because that's all I have the energy for. So today I went over to look and check on the sprout, and a freaking animal ate the little sprout wing. And I spent all that time, all the energy that I should not have spent, because I went over and my points for the day, and then an animal. Mother Nature, seriously. But I guess I need to be on some non-permanence, non-attachment, Aprigraha shit. So I'm gonna Aprigraha that shit, and I'm just gonna not be attached. I can do it, okay? Okay, bye.